Hello everyone. Today we stand next to the Gurgaon skyline and यहाँ पे MG ने एक event host करा है, the Gloucester off-roading event.
Yes, and we are going to explore it.
And let's see how the car performs off-road, how it tackles the challenges that are thrown at it.
Like what are you expecting? वहाँ पे क्या होगा यार?
एक hill descent for sure. There's going to be a hill climb. There's going to be a rumble strip, a rock.
So proper tracks बने होंगे and आप वहाँ पे अपनी कार मतलब उनकी और Gloucester off-roading करोगे.
हाँ, हम यहाँ पे आज वाटर वेडिंग से लेके गाड़ी की सारी कैपेबिलिटीज चेक करेंगे कि ऑफ रोड कितना अच्छा परफॉर्म करती है. डू स्टे विद अस एंड एंजॉय द वीडियो टुडे.
Obstacle 1 Rumble Strip. This will test out the car's traction and grip level. Difficulty level beginner.
And with the start of our drive, one car is following the MG's off-roading gadgets and gizmos, and the other is just straight up going through in drive mode. The car takes this obstacle with ease.
Obstacle 2 Hill descent and hill climb. Difficulty level intermediate. This will test out the car's power in hill climb, and in hill descent we test the car's auto braking.
In the first car, we are not using the rock mode or the hill descent control. It is being done manually. And in the second one, we are using the controls as advised by the MG expert. The car seems to handle this obstacle with ease as well. This proves basically that you can take your car off-roading on some patches that you can tackle yourself.
Obstacle 3 Side angle driver down. Anti-roll bar and vehicle balance is tested in this obstacle. Difficulty level intermediate.
This obstacle tests out the capabilities of the anti-roll bar of this vehicle. Also, the suspension travel is also tested in this obstacle. As we can see, we have to maintain a straight line, not move the steering wheel, and let the car do its job on its own. Before this obstacle, we just put our car in the normal mud mode and let it go through the obstacle with ease. We do not press the accelerator whatsoever.
Obstacle 4 Side crossover. This tests out the traction and the differential lock. Difficulty level intermediate.
In the first car, we've just engaged the drive modes, not locked the differential or done anything else. The car still seems to tackle it with ease. In the second car, we've set the drive mode to rock so that the power is increased. We've put on the 360-degree camera and we're taking it extremely slow. We keep the steering straight and feather the throttle as we cross this obstacle.
Obstacle 5 Side angle passenger down. Anti-roll bar and vehicle balance is tested in this obstacle. Difficulty level intermediate.
In this obstacle, we follow the path and turn the wheel as the driver's side goes up and the passenger goes down. The car's anti-roll bar is tested along with the traction and the traction control system of the car. The car never slips, takes this obstacle with ease as well.
In Obstacle 6, we'll be crossing a muddy patch. This tests out the four-wheel drive system of the car and how well it keeps traction in wet and slushy conditions.
We just keep the steering straight and feather the throttle as we pass through this obstacle. No drive assist or any system of the car was used in this. The car can take this with ease.
Obstacle 7 Water wading. In this obstacle, we wade the car in 500 millimeters of water and test the car's performance in waterlogged situations.
This is probably the most realistic test for Indian road conditions. Every other street is waterlogged when the rainy season comes. And in these situations, the trick is to leave the car's accelerator and let the automatic do its job. The car takes on 500 millimeters of water like a joke. It totally goes through it without causing any problems, without the wheels spinning or any other weird situations arriving. We do not use any MG drive assist modes in this situation and let the car do its job on its own.
Obstacle 8 Rock Crawl. Difficulty level beginner. This tests out the grip level and the suspension comfort of the car.
The first car uses no driver assist systems, while the second car uses the rock mode. The car is put into rock mode and just left to drive on its own. No accelerator pedal is used. It feels comfortable and easy going through these rocks. There is minimal steering input required.
Obstacle 9 Side Drop. This obstacle tests out the anti-roll bar and vehicle balance. Difficulty level hard.
In this, we test our anti-roll bar when we turn the wheel completely to the left and let the car drop down the ditch. As we push the car out, we accelerate in rock mode so that there is more than usual power and the car gets out with ease. In the second car, we are using hill descent control and traction control to the maximum level. This car does slide down with ease as well, and the anti-roll bar does its job. With this, we end the obstacles.
So hello everyone, I hope you enjoyed the video. And
Yes.
if you liked it, please like the video, share it
Yeah.
amongst your friends,
And subscribe the channel.